Hi everyone, this is Alex. Today I'm going to help you to retrieve your data from your old laptop. It's very simple, only 3 steps. Remove the hard drive from your old laptop and install it into a SATA to USB CANdy. Then grant permission for user folders. Then you can copy your photos and documents out of the old laptop. Okay, let's do it. So before you open the laptop, disassemble the laptop, your laptop might not stop working completely. It might be only the screen problem. So try an external monitor with the VGA port on the laptop or the HDMI port for newer laptop. So if you are lucky, you might control your computer through the external monitor or your TV. Then you can retrieve your data easily. If not, you have to remove the hard drive from the laptop. So most laptops, they have a panel for the hard drive. Easily you can use a small screwdriver, then remove the hard drive easily. Most of the hard drive look like this. This is a SATA hard drive. This is a power supplier port and a data port. It should look like this, yeah, with some gold finger. Don't worry, we don't need to do much about this. As long as you remove the hard drive from your laptop and you got the hard drive, then you can go online and buy a SATA to USB enclosure, the CANdy. Yeah. Then you can simply plug in your hard drive into this CANdy. So I took out the hard drive from the laptop and I got the enclosure SATA to USB. This one is USB 3. And plug in the SATA hard drive to the enclosure. Yeah. Slide it in. Make sure it is plugged in properly. Yeah. And plug into first. Make sure this enclosure in a stable location, yeah, in case it's moving, because some hard drive already have problem. Put a right place, yeah, and plug into the USB 3 port. You should buy a USB 3 enclosure. Yeah. Turn it on. Mine will have a switch. Yeah. Open the File Explorer. Now you can find it most of the time. If you can't find it, check the rest of my video. I will show you some more details. So, for example, you found it. This is the partition, and you know where you save it if it's not in the default user folder. Okay, if it's in the default user folder, it should be inside of this folder, users. Yeah, let's zoom it in this folder, users. So I double click, but you will find when you try to double click on those user, for example, if this is your username, you double click and the system don't allow you to access it. It shows you don't have permission. Okay, there are 2 ways to work it out. It's very simple. So you need the simple way is you need to run this command line. Yeah, you can find this command line in the subscription underneath of this video. You can just copy it and open, click on Windows logo, CMD, type CMD. Yeah, now you can see command prompt, right click on it, run as administrator. Yeah, yes, okay. Right click on your mouse, then the copied command line is here now. Yeah, so basically what I recommend, just give the permission for the whole users folder, then you can get all user folders in one go. Yeah, if you set owner first to everyone, then press enter. Yeah, it depends on how much data, how many users you have under this folder. It might run a few minutes. Okay, we leave it running. So the next command line is here. You copy it, but you have to wait until this command finished. One thing I have to mention, so don't use the Windows PowerShell, you will run into trouble. So use the command prompt, CMD. Yeah, command prompt, right click, but run as an administrator. Yeah, it shouldn't take very long, but yours, it depends on how much file you have, so give it time. So in very old laptop, it's not SATA hard drive. Let's check. So it looks like this. Yeah, I have lots of pin. So this is the ATA hard drive. Then you have to find the ATA to USB candidate. It's different one. Yeah, it's not necessary to be a candidate. You can use this kind of adapter as well. But the advantage of the candidate is you can get an external hard drive. So it'd be better solution. Okay. So if you have even older laptop, you have to use this kind of adapter. Then you can plug in the USB to the laptop. They have Candy as well. You can search around. Yeah. So this command line is done. So we right click again. Yeah, this new command line is pasted. Okay, so this time we'll grant the permission for everyone for each of the file inside of the folder. So I press enter again. Yeah. Get rid of this one. Okay. Yeah, look. It's doing it again. Then once this command is done, you can access all your folders and files. Here, I recommend you copy all your files as soon as you can, because the old hard drive might run into problem anytime. Okay, I hope you already retrieve all your photos and documents. If you have some problem, you can continue to watch this video. I'm going to show you some more details. So when you plug in the USB, you can't find your old hard drive. So this might be caused by the system setting. So what you have to do, right click this PC. So manage. Yeah, so click on disk management. Then you can find the list of your hard drive. Of course, in Windows 10, simply you can right-click on Windows logo, yeah, disk management straight away. For example, some partition, they don't have a drive letter, that's why you can't find it. So my drive say it is Windows partition, and this one have no drive letter, so you can right click on it. Not all of them you can do it, yeah. So when you right click on this one, for example, yeah, so you can click on change drive letter and path, then you can add a drive letter to it. For example, drive letter H or drive letter, any letter you like, yeah. Once you click on OK, yeah, I have to cancel here, yeah. Once you click on OK, then go back to, you can open the File Explorer again and double check it is loaded. For example, if it can be the drive day, yeah. So after this try, it still doesn't show, or the system, your Windows computer running a bit slow. This symptom might link to the old hard drive have some problem. So if this is the case, you have to be careful, especially if you have very important data on your old hard drive. You might need professional service for data recovery. I mean, if you try it yourself, you might risk your data. If they are very important, you have to be very, very careful when you're trying to work it out yourself. So basically, if they are not in the big trouble, what I recommend you to do, you can run the wait a minute. You can type the CMD again. You can try this command. Check disk. Let me zoom it in. For example, so F, this won't format it, don't worry. Then it's save, yeah. Of course, your drive letter depends. For example, the old laptop, the drive letter is H. Then press enter, yeah. If you scan the hard drive fully, it might fix some problem. But if your hard drive have big problem, then it's different story. You can find some of my video. I can show you how to do a data recovery. Yeah. So good luck for your data retrieve. I hope you can find all your documents and your photo. Have a nice day. Talk to you next time. Bye.